Hey friends, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Makeup by Glam Doll, back at it again on your screen. I just wanted this to be like a quick little, like a friendly, introduce all my friends to this cool new skincare line that I think all of you guys should definitely check out. They are 100% cruelty-free vegan. The company is called RDKL. It will be in the description box down below, pop up on your screen. All the links to their social medias, I will link it, everything will be linked in the bottom description box down below. Okay, so I've been using the skincare for a couple of days now since I received it. I wanted to try it out before I jumped up on camera and told you guys, hey, yeah, it's awesome, you know, go buy it, because I would never do that, you know. So it comes like this. Let's open this up. Steps that they have. One is a face wash. They have a toner. They have this thing. It's a serum. This is actually pretty cool. I'll show you guys in a second. They have a moisturizer, and then they have a facial oil. On the first one, it's called Fresh. I love how like every you know little skincare. In the skincare kit, each item has a name. Each and every one, it tells you what step you have to go in case you like mix up everything. It says number 1 on this one. The next one, it says number 2. In this card, the ingredients. So the face wash has purified water, aloe vera gel, ground walnut shells, pumpkin extract, hydrogenated jojoba oil, vegetable glycerin, seaweed extract, chamomile extract, honey. So this is the next one. It's called Youth. This is the toner. It's for glowing skin, as always in, so tone it up and turn it on with exclusive shape-shifting toner. Pump applicator into your hand and watch the gel change into liquid. It is this cool looking container. It says Life. It's a serum. It says all that glitters is actual gold with the serum. Yes, yes, you heard gold. It has 24 karat gold. You can use this on your face, your neck, and the back of your hands. It increases elasticity and improves your blood circulation. Use twice a day to remain forever young and glamorous. So yeah, it comes like this, so you kind of have to like squeeze it out, pump it out like that. You can't really see the 24 karat gold flakes in here. Like it leaves like a little bit of like natural shimmer in your hands. Oh my god, they're so soft. And yeah, and you can see like a little bit, like slight, you know, little amounts of like the glitter, the little glittery flakes, the gold flakes. Next one is called Revive. That is the moisturizer. Hydration. This moisturizer is jam-packed with enriching ingredients such as blue light blocking superpower. From snaps to selfies and every screen in between. No one has time for a tech face. No filter necessary. So literally, guys, this moisturizer, it literally perfects your skin. Like, it literally takes away all your like impurities and stuff like that, and it makes you pretty much like you don't even have to use a filter. Next one is the facial oil. The shine that you guys see is like the shine that like it left on my hand, and it's not greasy or anything like that. It just left like a nice glow on my hand. So thank you so much RDKL for sending me this skincare package, skincare kit. It's really awesome. I'm loving how my skin feels, and I think you guys should definitely check it out, even if you have sensitive skin or anything like that. I didn't have any breakouts. I didn't have any issues using this on my hands. I use it on my neck. I use it on my face. I didn't have any type of, you know, skin issues, you know, none whatsoever. I'll be sure to leave everything, all the description and the links for this company in my description box down below. And please, I hope you guys try this product out. So, alright guys, see you friends.